Hi everyone, it's Alex with Be Organizing here again. I wanted to share with you some of my favorite digital organizing tips. So digital organizing right now seems to be something we can really focus on, so I thought this would be helpful today. So first, my favorite one is automate as much as possible. So there's programs out there that are more geared towards automation, and there's some that just make your life harder. So try to find ones that automate as much as possible. One of the great programs out there that can help you automate is Zapier. They're a great tool to make something happen if you want. Let's say you have an email, or I have it set up to forms. I have a form that comes in and I want X to happen. So Zapier automates the process. So when this is triggered, this happens. So great tool. Automate, automate, automate. Make your life easier. Next one is less steps, the better. Keep it simple. Don't look at all the stuff. There's so many things out there in the digital world. So having less steps and keeping it simple is what you're aiming for. Lastly, commit to a program to try it out. I know one of the biggest things that we see all the time are that people are trying to find the best digital solution for whatever their issue is, right? Maybe it's note-taking, maybe it's your email, maybe it's your photos, what have you. There's so many programs out there, and sometimes you just have to try one, commit to it. Well, do your research first, but then commit to one that you find that potentially could work for you. So that would be the biggest thing that we see. Just commit, try a program, don't get overwhelmed by all the things that are out there, and stick to that one first. All right, I hope that helps you out, and have a wonderful rest of your day.